Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sarika Krishna online classes. This side Sarika, your maths teacher. So in this video I'm here with the similarity criteria, right, which is required for the exercise 6.3 of NCERT, right. So what are similarity criteria? Like in congruent triangles you used to prove they are congruent by SAS, SSS. Similarly here also there are certain similarity criterions, right? There are three similarity criterions, AA, or you can say AAA. If two angles, corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, third is automatically equal by angle sum property, right? Now here, so you can say AA also or AAA also. So if two angles, corresponding angles are equal of two triangles, then they are similar. SSS means sides are not equal, they are equal in congruency. SSS means the corresponding sides are in ratio, they are in proportion. All the three sides ratio mein hongi, right? SAS means two sides are in ratio, and so two sides are in ratio and the included angle. If these two sides are in ratio, so included angle means the angle in between the two sides. The two sides will be in ratio and the included angle, corresponding angle, that will be equal. One angle will be equal, or the sides which are on its adjacent sides, they are proportion. So these are the criterions. So whenever we have to tell the similarity criteria, either AA, SS or SAS. Now the first question in NCERT, that is about this only. You have to tell whether they are similar, and if yes, what is the similarity criterion. So first figure, there are 6 parts of first question. There are 3 parts, right? Here we can see that angle A is equal to angle P, 60 60, right? Angle B is equal to angle Q, 80 80, angle C and angle R, they are 40 40. So all the 3 angles are equal, right? 2 se bhi kaam chal jata, right? AA or AAA. So by AAA, the triangles are similar, right? So triangle ABC, this is similarity sign to triangle PQR. So done, they are similar by AAA criterion. Now, the second figure is this one, right? So if we see the sides, double 2 ka double 4. So here AB upon RQ, we can write this because iska square hai. Here 2.5 square is 5, right? So BC upon PQ and 3 double is 6, right? So AC upon PR. Jab inki values, will be substituting the values, it will come out to be this way, 2.5 by 5 and here it's 3 by 6. When we'll cancel it, we'll get 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So the ratio are same. So sides are in ratio. All the 3 sides are in ratio. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SSS. You have to tell the similarity criterion. All the 3 sides are in ratio, so by SSS criteria, they are similar, right? So now here the third part. Now let us see whether these two triangles are similar. कोई भी criteria इसमें fit होता है, right? Let us see the sides first here. 3 का double 6 is okay, right? So 2 का double नहीं है, 5 here it's 5 and 2.7 का double नहीं. So no criteria fits into this. So we will say that triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF because here we don't have the angles. So angles nahi hai to AA and SAS to वैसे ही नहीं हो सकता. So there is a possibility of SSS, but we are not able to prove the sides in ratio. 5 double is not 2 and 5, 3 and 6 तो चलो double है. 2.7 का double 4 नहीं होता है. So the no criteria fits into this, right? So the triangles, they are not similar. So there are other 3 parts of first question. Let us do those parts. Okay, now we'll do other 3 parts. There were 6 parts in question number 1. So 3 I've done. Now 3 are left here. These are the 3 parts of question number first. Now here let us check here. Here it's 2.5. Here it's 5 double. It means MN is equal to P. Not equal, sorry, then a ratio, right? MN and PQ. Okay. Now let us see MN upon PQ and ML. Its double is QR. So when we substitute their values, it's 2.5 upon 5. I'm substituting the values of these. ml is 5 and QR is 10. So ratio comes out to be 2. Double of this, right? So the two sides are in ratio. Now let us check the included angle. These are the sides which we have considered, right? So the included angle between those two sides is 70. Here it's also 70. It means angle M is equal to angle Q is equal to 70. So by SAS criteria, they are similar, right? So we can say that this triangle is similar to this by SAS. Now the second, this one. Now here when we check this, this is 2.5 upon 5. It can be 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Sides are in ratio, but the angle, included angle is not equal. Included means the angle between these two sides here is 80. But the sides here are these ones. We don't have this angle equivalent to 80. Right? So the included angle, the angle between the sides should be equal. So here the angles, angle is formed by these two sides is this one, not this one. So triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. I hope it's clear, right? Here the two sides were in ratio and the included angle between these two sides, those two angles, they were equal. But here the included angle is not. Those sides are in ratio, but the included angle here, they are not same. Let us check the sixth one. Okay, here we have 80-30, here we have 80-70, right? Now you'll think that no, they are not equal because 30 is not equal to 70. No, use angle sum property. 180 minus this 80-70 is, what is 80-70? 150. 180 minus 150 is 30. Find out the third angle, right? Here also when you will find out 80-30, 110, 110 and 70. When you will find out all the angles, then you will get to know whether they are equal or not. Now angle D is equal to angle P, 70, right? Here angle E is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 and angle F is equal to angle R is equal to 30. So triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR by AAA criteria, similarity criteria, right? So I hope it's right. It's clear now. AAA. Okay. Now question number 2. Here what's given? It's given that this angle here is 70. Here this angle is 125. We have to find these three angles. DCO. Where is DCO? DCO. This one. DOC. This one. OAB, this one. These three angles we are supposed to find out, right? Now let us see how. Now it's given also that these two triangles are similar. When they are similar, right, then we'll see what has to be done. Now first we'll be applying a linear pair here. Angle DOC plus 125 is 180 degree. Linear pair. I hope you know linear pair. What is linear pair? When we have a straight line, this total is 180. That is called a linear pair, right? Okay. Now here, this is a straight line. This is a linear pair. So in order to find DOC, we have to subtract 125 from 180. 125. That comes out to be 55, right? So ये angle आपका 55 आ गया, right? Now this here angle sum property can apply. Angle DCO plus 55 plus 70 is equal to 180 degree, right? That is angle sum property. Angle sum property, right? Angle sum property means triangle का sum 180 होता है, right? We have two angles here. Third can be found. DCO, right? Here ये कितना हो गया आपके पास 125. So DCO is equal to 180 minus 125 and that is also 55. So ये भी 55 आ गया, right? Now we have got two angles, this one and this one are formed, right? Now third one, this one here, right? So here, as it is given these two triangles are similar, right? As these two triangles are similar, here it's vertically opposite, this will be 55. So by AA, as triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, so we can say AAA. So angle DCO will be equal to angle OAB. This angle equal to this angle equals to this angle equals to this. So we are supposed to find OAB, right? So that is equal to DCO. And DCO we have 55. It means angle OAB is also 55. So all the three angles are 55, 55, 55, right? I'll repeat this question again. We have this angle here. There is a linear pair straight line. We can find this. First I found this one, right? 55, right? Then I use the angle sum property. यहाँ पे भी those angles now we have. We can find the third one. 180 से subtract करना है इसका total. So we'll get the third one, right? So two angles found this way. Now third one, as it is given as these two triangles are similar. So सारे angles उसके corresponding equal होंगे. ये तो vertically vertical के equal होगा. This one here will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. So it means here this angle is equal to this angle, right? वैसे भी lines parallel है, alternate भी बनता है. So this is 55. So this has to be 55. So now the next questions, children. Now we'll be doing question number 3rd and 4th, right? This is the figure of question number 3rd. Here it's given that it is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD. When these lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal, right? Now we have to prove that AO upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Sides should be in ratio, right? We have to prove the sides in ratio means we have to prove the two triangles, right? Similar, right? Which two triangles? The upper one, this in triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Lower one is these two triangles, right? So angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles, right? And here 2 is equal to 5. Same, alternate interior angles. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC. जब इसके तीनों angles equal हैं, so sides, the triangles, they are similar by किससे? AAA criteria, right? Now when these two triangles are similar, the sides will be in ratio. AO of this triangle, CO of this triangle, OC, OB of this triangle, and OD of this triangle. So hence proved, right? Okay. So now I'll repeat this question again, right? It is given that it is a trapezium, AB parallel to CD, right? We have to prove the sides in ratio. The sides are in ratio when the triangles are similar. It means in order to prove the sides in ratio, we have to prove two triangles similar. Which two triangles? जिसकी ये sides है, AO, OB, OC, OB and E. These two triangles are similar, right? So all three angles are equal. 3 is equal to 4 vertically opposite, 2 is equal to 5 alternate interior angle, 1 equals to 6 alternate interior angles. So in these two triangles, all the corresponding angles are equal. So they are similar. When they are similar, the sides are in ratio. AO एक triangle की ले लो और OC दूसरे triangle की ले लो. OB of the upper triangle and OD of the lower triangle. So they are in ratio. Hence proved. It's what's simple, right? Now question number 4. This type of figure we have, it's also very simple. This is a very simple question here. What is given? The ratio is given equal, right? Let us start with this ratio. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, right? Given. Since it is given, let us use this ratio. What is in this ratio? Here it's QR, here it's QS, right? And here it's QT and here it's PR. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle PQS, where is PQS? This triangle PQS is similar to TQR. They will be similar if the sides are in ratio, right? कौन सी sides? Which sides? QS upon QR, that we have, right? Here PQ, this should be equal to, here we have QR, okay, then QT we have, right? Now we need here PQ. In place of this here we need PQ. Then the sides will be in ratio. Now since as angle 1 is equal to angle 2, it is also given, right? ये हम हटा देते हैं यहाँ से, right? Okay. So it is also given that angle 1 is equal to 2. In this triangle, when 1 is equal to 2, their sides opposite are equal. So it means PQ will be equals to PR, right? Sides, reason is sides opposite to equal angle are equal. Equal angle are equal. So the two sides which are opposite to the equal angles, right? They are equal, right? So which angles are equal? 1 is equal to 2. So side opposite to 1 is PR. Side opposite to 2 is PQ. So PQ is equal to PR, right? So now here in this, we have proved that PR is equal to PQ. Let us replace in this one, right? Substitute in 1. equation 1. Let us do that. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR की जगह PQ डाल दो. Now check. QR bigger side, QS छोटी side. QR of the triangle bigger one, PQR, and QS of triangle PQS. आपको जो दो triangles similar prove करने हैं, just look at the sides of them. So TQR बड़ा triangle है, so QR उसकी side QS छोटे वाले की. So we have that ratio QR upon QS. Let us see this side. So QT we have, PQ we have just replaced in place of PR. So ये हो गया. So hence the triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Hence proved. Right? This question was very simple. इसमें क्या था? QR was given upon QS. QT was given, लेकिन PQ was not given. In place of PQ हमारे को PR दिया था, और जो PR है that is equal to PQ because 1 is equal to 2. It is given. Angles 1 और 2 equal है, उनके opposite sides equal होती है, तो PR की जगह PQ डाल देंगे इस given part में यहाँ. तो ये रेशो जो है दो ट्रायंगल्स की आ जाएगी, PR बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल की अपॉन PS QS, QR QS, QT एंड QP. बिगर वाले ट्रायंगल की साइड, छोटे वाले ट्रायंगल की साइड, इस साइड भी बिगर ट्रायंगल की साइड और छोटे ट्रायंगल की साइड. सिर्फ इतना करना था, या PR की जगह PQ रिप्लेस करना था क्योंकि 1 is equal to 2. So in right, so we have I've completed question number 3rd and 4th. Now let us do the 5th one. Okay, now I'll explain question number 5th and 6th. Right, in question number 5th, it is given here angle this P is equal to here angle RTS, means this angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we have to prove that these triangles are similar. This one RPQ the bigger one and RST the smaller one. Okay, so now here in these two triangles, in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle R will be equal to angle R common angle. Right, this is common. This R is the angle of the smaller triangle also, R is the angle of the bigger triangle also. So R is common, done. And angle 1 of bigger triangle, angle this P is equal to angle this 2 of the smaller. It is given. Right, so by AA, when we have two angles equal, so triangle RPQ is will be similar to triangle RTS by AA criteria. Similarity criteria, right? So this was simple. Upper triangle and the lower triangle. R angle was common and 1 value equals to 2. So अगर आपको दो angles equal मिल गए, so the triangles are similar, right? Now this one. Here it is given that this one, ABE, this upper portion, this one and this one, these are congruent. Congruent means they will be equal. So if I'll consider from this here AE, और इधर को देखो ये वाला ट्राइंगल ऊपर को, AD are equal, right? Because they are congruent. So corresponding sides equal होंगी. अगर आप इस ट्राइंगल की ये साइड AB देखें, so और इस ट्राइंगल की साइड AC देखें, that they will be equal. डबल लगाती हूँ मैं यहाँ, right? So here as triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, so we come to the result that AD is equal to AE. Right, if we write them in ratio, so AD upon AE ratio comes out to be 1 because they are equal right here. Then okay, so here similarly AB is equal to AC, they are equal, so the ratio of AB and AC will be equal to 1. So from 1 and 2, as the right side part is 1, so left side part has to be equal. So here let us equate this, these two. AD upon AE is equal to AB upon AC, right? Now, I am just shifting AB here, AE there. So it becomes AD upon AB, AE goes there, AE upon AC, right? Now check the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle. Smaller triangle ka angle side AD and bigger ka AB, they are in ratio. AE, smaller triangle ka AE or AC. So we have found the sides are in ratio, two sides are in ratio. Now the included angle will be here the same, क्योंकि आप sides ये ले रहे हो, right? So the included angle here is, these sides are in ratio, so angle A is equal to angle A, that is common. ये तो common angle है दोनों का, right? A is common angle to triangle ADE as well as to ABC. So now by SAS, the triangles are similar. So triangle ADE is similar. What we have to prove here? ABC by what? By SAS, similarity criteria. Why SAS? Because two sides are in proportion and one included angle, that was A. A was common to both. So done. I'm going to repeat this again, right? This was easy, दो triangles थे, उसमें दो angles. We have proved two angles, the R equals to R common and 1 equals to 2. We found two angles, so the two triangles were similar. Very easily we were able to prove. Now here in this side, the two triangles which are congruent are these ones, these upper ones, right? So in this one में जो ये side AE है और उस वाले की AD equal है. So AD is equal to AE, similarly AB is equal to AC. I've written here. When they are equal, their side ratio will be 1. So 1 in the right side, so the left side part this will be equal. When they are equal, right? लेकिन हमें तो रेशियो में साइड ऐसे चाहिए होती है, एक छोटे ट्रायंगल की साइड एक बड़े की. सो हमने एडजस्टमेंट कर ली. AE goes up, AB comes down. AB को नीचे ले आए. अब हम देखें इसमें तो AD छोटे की साइड, smaller triangle की AD and the bigger one की AB, AE and AC, the sides comes out to be ratio, right, in proportion, right? So and included angle A तो equal है या वो तो common है दोनों को. So we were able to prove that the two triangles ADE and ABC are similar. So now the question 7th and 8th. Two questions 7th and 8th. Okay, now I'll explain question number 7th and 8th, right? Here also we will be using the criterions of similarity AA, right? And this question, in every part of these four parts, out of these four parts, in every part, right? Not out of, in every part we'll be proving two angles of two triangles, corresponding angles equal, and we'll say that they are similar. Okay, now we have to prove four parts, one by one. AEP, AEP, right? We have to prove this similar to CDP. CDP is upper one. Here just mention two angles which are equal. 3 is equal to 4, vertically opposite angle, right? Here and here. 1 is 90, 5 is 90, right? Each 90, right? So triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA criteria, right? In this triangle and this triangle, 3 equals to 4, vertically opposite, 190 है, 5 भी 90 है, so two angles are sufficient to prove, right? So similarly we'll do here also. ABD, now we have to see ABD, this big one, and CBE, CBE big one, this one, right? Angle B is common here, 7 equals to 7, this one and this one, right? इस वाले में angle 690 है, और if we see this one angle 290 है. So angle 6 is equal to angle 2, right? So here also we have found the two angles equal. So angle 6 is equal to angle 2. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by AA criteria, similarity criteria, right? Here also done. Now let us check AEP. Where is AEP? AEP smaller one. Okay. ADB. ADB. AEP and ADB. A angle is common. So we'll say here angle 9 is equal to 9. I have written that 9. So this smaller and this bigger. Here smaller one is 90 and this ABD में क्या 90 है? 6 angle. ये 90 डिग्री है रीजन. यहाँ पे भी आपको रीजन देना था 90 और ये आपका यहाँ पे कॉमन. Here also common. Then same angle is equal, common और एक 90. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADP by again AA criteria, right? So we are just proving by AA. Now the last one, PDC. Where is PDC? PDC is the smaller one and BEC. BEC ऊपर को ये छोटे वाला और बड़े वाला उसमें CM angle 8 is common to both. ये this one smaller one और यहाँ से ऐसे इसमें उसका 590 है और इसका 290 है. So angle 5 is equal to angle 2. Each 90 है और this is the common angle, right? So triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC by what? By AA similarity criterion. So हमने prove कर दिए all the four parts by AA. बस दो angles ढूंढ लो. फर्स्ट वाले में तो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट था, एक 90 था और आगे वाले में एक तो कॉमन एंगल आपको मिलेगा, दूसरा कुछ ना कुछ 90 डिग्री है, राइट? सो आई होप इट्स क्लियर. नाउ दिस वन, राइट? हियर इट इज गिवन. What is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means BC parallel to AD, right? This parallel to this. So this has been, AD has been produced to E. अगर इसको प्रोड्यूस किया है, so if AD is parallel to BC, then AE is also parallel to BC, right? Now, proof. ABCD is a parallelogram. It's given, right? We have to mention. Acha, here AD will be parallel to BC. Now, E is produced from A only. So AE will also be parallel to BC, right? Now, we have to prove triangle. This ABE, this bigger one, and this smaller one this side, right? Similar. So let us consider these two triangles. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, जो हमारे को prove करने हैं, उसमें let us see what are the things equal, what are the criteria, right? Angles or side. Let us see. Now here ABE, here ABE में angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right? That is given also on opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. जो parallelogram है, right? उसके जो opposite angles होते हैं वो equal होते हैं. तो opposite क्या है? 1 and 2. We have found one angle. The other angle is angle 4 and 3, right? Now since these two are parallel here, जहाँ Z बनता है, 4 and 3 are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles, right? So we have found two angles. So triangle ABE will be similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criteria. Here also AA, right? This was parallel to this. It is a parallelogram. 1 is equal to 2. आपको ये प्रूफ करना है, ये बड़े वाला और ये छोटे वाला similar. So उसमें दो angles हैं, 1 equals to 2. Done. Right? Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Now the other angle we found from what? Here parallel. If AD is parallel to BC and from A it is produced, so AE is also parallel to BC. If AE is parallel to BC, here Z is formed. 4 and 3 are alternate interior angles, so they are equal. So in this bigger triangle, 4 and here 3, 1 and 2, they are equal. So by AA criteria, they are similar. जब दो एंगल्स आपके प्रूव हो जाते हैं, थर्ड तो ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वल आता ही है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू यूज एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी तो वो सेम ही आता है. जब दो एंगल सेम आ गए, थर्ड माइनस करके 180 से उनका टोटल सेम आता है. सो राइट, सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी explaining till only 8th only. I have done 8 questions of this because it is a very big exercise having 16 questions, right? So next 8 I'll be doing in my next video. So thank you children. Stay blessed and work hard. God bless you.